Hello, superstars! Today, we're going to learn all about the long vowel sound I. The magic E. When the word has I and ends with E, the E is silent, but it makes the I say its name. Kite. We say the I, but the E is silent. Listen to the following words: bike, time, fire, kite, prize, drive, slide, spine, smile, shine, stripe, white. Blend to read the words and sentences. She won a prize for her big smile. The nice white kite can glide. Sometimes we spell long I with IGH. Let's say it together. Light, light. Listen to the following words: high, sigh, light, night, tight, thigh, sight, fight, right, might, fright, bright. Try to guess the words. They all have the I sound. The words are night, light, right. Blend to read the words and sentences. Why are we up so high? I sigh. Sometimes we use IE to make the long I sound. It's like I and E are working together. Say this with me. Pie, pie. Listen to the following words: tie, pie, die, tried, cried, fries, dried, spied, denied, applied, supplied, qualified. Blend to read the words and sentences. She cried when she tried to lift the box. I ate a pie and wore my favorite tie. Y at the end. When the letter Y is at the end of a short word, it can sound just like long I. We hear it in spy. Say it with me, spy. Listen to the following words: fly, spy, sky, shy, rely, deny, reply, apply, supply, verify, terrify, simplify. Blend to read the words and sentences. She felt shy, but decided to try. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.